Lemurs lead fascinating lives in the lush forests of Madagascar. These primates are known for their diverse species, from the tiny mouse lemur to the larger ring-tailed lemurs. They spend their days foraging for fruits, leaves, flowers, and insects, depending on their species and habitat. Social interactions are a big part of their lives. They live in groups called troops or bands, which can vary in size from just a few individuals to over 20 members. Lemurs communicate through vocalizations, scents, and body language. They have unique calls that help them locate each other in the dense forests and also serve to establish territory or warn against predators. Some lemurs are nocturnal, while others are active during the day, and their behaviors and adaptations are influenced by their activity patterns. For many species, females are the dominant ones and lead the social groups. They also play a crucial role in rearing offspring, often carrying and grooming the young. The ring-tailed lemurs are particularly famous for their striking appearance with long, banded tails, and they engage in sun worshipping, where they sit in a group facing the sun in the morning to warm up before starting their day. Unfortunately, lemurs face threats due to habitat loss, climate change, and hunting, which have led many species to become endangered or critically endangered. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these unique and diverse creatures and ensure the preservation of their habitats. Diversity: Madagascar is home to around 100 species of lemurs, making it a biodiversity hotspot. They come in various sizes, from the tiny Madame Bert's mouse lemur, one of the smallest primates in the world, to the larger Indri lemurs known for their haunting calls. Unique adaptations: Lemurs have fascinating adaptations. Some have specialized teeth for grooming, while others have a strong sense of smell to communicate and navigate their environments. The ii, a nocturnal lemur, has a long, thin middle finger used for tapping on trees to find grubs and insects inside. Role in ecosystem: Lemurs play a crucial role in Madagascar's ecosystem. They are important seed dispersers, helping in the regeneration of forests by eating fruits and then spreading seeds through their waste. Their behaviors contribute to the health and diversity of the forests they inhabit. Social structures: Lemurs' social structures vary among species. While some live in large, complex groups, others prefer smaller family units. Ring-tailed lemurs are known for their social dynamics, with females being dominant and leading the troop. Conservation efforts: Due to habitat destruction and other threats, lemurs face the risk of extinction. Conservationists and researchers work tirelessly to protect lemurs and their habitats through initiatives like creating protected areas, educating local communities, and promoting ecotourism as a sustainable means of income. Behavioral adaptations: Some lemurs, like the sifacas, are known for their incredible leaping abilities, using their powerful hind legs to traverse between trees. Others, such as the red-bellied lemurs, have a unique hibernation-like state during the dry season, conserving energy by going into a torpor to survive food scarcity. Their unique behaviors, diverse species, and important ecological roles make lemurs both scientifically fascinating and important for the balance of Madagascar's ecosystems. Dietary variations: Lemurs showcase diverse dietary habits. While some, like the bamboo lemurs, have specialized diets focused on specific plants like bamboo, others have a broader range, consuming fruits, leaves, flowers, insects, and even small vertebrates. This dietary diversity varies among species and depends on their habitats. Communication methods: Lemurs communicate through a combination of vocalizations, scents, and body language. They use calls for various purposes such as signaling danger, establishing territory, or maintaining group cohesion. Scent marking through glands and urine plays a significant role in marking territory and communicating reproductive status. Unique reproductive patterns: lemurs have intriguing reproductive behaviors. Some species exhibit seasonal breeding, where females have specific times of the year when they are receptive to mating. Additionally, there are various forms of mating systems among lemurs, including monogamy, polygyny, and promiscuity, which vary based on species. Habitat and adaptation. Lemurs have adapted to diverse habitats within Madagascar, from dense rainforests to dry deciduous forests. Their adaptations vary based on their environment, influencing their physical characteristics, behaviors, and even their social structures. Threats and conservation. Lemurs face severe threats due to habitat destruction caused by deforestation, slash-and-burn agriculture, logging, and human encroachment. Additionally, illegal hunting and the pet trade contribute to their decline. Conservation efforts involve not only protecting their habitats but also raising awareness among local communities and implementing sustainable practices to ensure their survival. Each species of lemur has its own unique traits and behaviors, contributing to the overall biodiversity of Madagascar. Studying them helps scientists understand evolution, behavior, and the importance of conserving these incredible primates and their ecosystems. Evolutionary significance. Lemurs hold a significant place in evolutionary studies. Madagascar, their only native habitat, separated from other land masses millions of years ago, allowing lemurs to evolve in isolation. Studying them provides insights into primate evolution and adaptation. Tool use and problem solving. Some lemurs exhibit tool use, albeit on a simpler scale compared to certain other primates. For instance, they might use sticks to extract insects from crevices or employ leaves for various purposes. Observations also indicate problem-solving abilities among certain species. Seasonal variations. Lemurs often face distinct seasonal changes in Madagascar. Some species adapt by altering their diets or behaviors according to the availability of food and changing environmental conditions. Research contributions. Lemurs serve as valuable models for scientific research in areas like biology, behavior, genetics, and even biomedical studies. They offer insights into various aspects of primate cognition and social structure, aiding our understanding of human evolution and behavior. Cultural significance. Lemurs are not only scientifically important but also culturally significant in Madagascar. They are revered in Malagasy folklore and traditions, often symbolizing various cultural values and beliefs. Tourism and awareness. Responsible ecotourism focusing on lemurs has grown, offering opportunities for people to observe these unique creatures in their natural habitat. Such tourism can generate income for local communities while raising awareness about the importance of lemur conservation. Lemurs continue to captivate researchers, conservationists, and enthusiasts worldwide, contributing to our understanding of primates, evolution, and the significance of biodiversity conservation. Their unique characteristics make them both scientifically fascinating and culturally valuable. Interspecies diversity. Lemurs are incredibly diverse not just in terms of species but also in their behaviors, adaptations, and ecological niches. Some, like the ii, exhibit particularly unique physical and behavioral adaptations, while others, such as the sificas, are known for their distinct way of moving through trees. Parental care. Lemurs exhibit various forms of parental care. While some species have a more communal approach to raising offspring, others rely heavily on individual parents. The level of involvement of both males and females in caregiving can differ significantly between species. Social dynamics. The social dynamics within lemur groups can be intricate and multifaceted. Some species live in cohesive groups where individuals maintain strong bonds, while others exhibit more transient associations, with group compositions changing more frequently. Adaptations to threats. Lemurs have evolved different strategies to cope with threats. Some rely on camouflage and stealth to avoid predators, while others have developed alarm calls to warn group members of impending danger. Research and conservation tools. Lemurs are not only subjects of research but also tools for conservation. By studying their behaviors, genetics, and ecological interactions, researchers can better understand broader conservation strategies that can safeguard not just lemurs but entire ecosystems. Community involvement. Successful lemur conservation often involves the active participation of local communities. Engaging these communities in conservation efforts, providing alternative livelihoods, and integrating traditional knowledge with modern conservation practices can greatly enhance conservation outcomes. The world of lemurs is incredibly rich and multifaceted, offering continuous avenues for discovery, conservation, and admiration for the unique biodiversity of Madagascar. Scent marking and communication. Lemurs use scent marking extensively for communication. They have scent glands on various parts of their bodies, and marking territory or signaling reproductive status through scent plays a crucial role in their social interactions. Lifespan and aging. Lemurs, like many primates, have varying lifespans depending on the species. Some smaller species may live around 10 to 15 years in the wild, while larger lemurs, like the ring-tailed lemurs, can live up to 20 to 25 years. Studying aging in lemurs can offer insights into the aging process and age-related diseases. Vocal repertoire and language. Lemurs have a diverse vocal repertoire. Studying the nuances of their vocalizations can provide insights into their social structures, individual recognition, and potential language-like communication systems. Effects of climate change. Madagascar, the native habitat of lemurs, is vulnerable to the effects of climate change. Understanding how lemurs adapt or are affected by these changes in temperature, rainfall patterns, and habitat alterations is crucial for their survival. Dietary specialization. Some lemurs have specialized diets. For example, the bamboo lemurs have evolved to consume almost exclusively bamboo. Investigating their digestive systems and unique adaptations for bamboo consumption could provide insights into specialized diets among primates. Genetic diversity and conservation. Lemurs exhibit genetic diversity across species. Conservation efforts often focus on preserving this genetic diversity as it can contribute to the resilience of the species in the face of environmental changes. Studying these specific aspects of lemurs not only adds to our understanding of these fascinating primates but also aids in conservation strategies aimed at preserving their unique qualities and ensuring their survival in the wild. 1. Indri known for their striking appearance and haunting calls. Indris are the largest living lemurs. They are known for their impressive vertical leaps between trees and their folivorous diet, primarily feeding on leaves. 2. Daubentonia madagascarensis. The ii is one of the most unique and distinctive lemurs. It has specialized adaptations, including a long, thin middle finger used for tapping on trees to locate insects and extract them using its elongated, rodent-like incisors. 3. Mouse lemurs. These are some of the smallest primates in the world. They are nocturnal and have large, round eyes adapted for night vision. Their diet consists mostly of insects, fruits, and flowers. 4. Sificas. Known for their distinctive way of moving by leaping from tree to tree, sificas have powerful hind legs adapted for this form of locomotion. They are folivorous, primarily consuming leaves, and are recognized by their unique and varied vocalizations. 5. Ring-tailed lemurs. Among the most recognizable lemurs, they have distinctive ringed tails and are highly social. They exhibit complex social structures, with females being dominant and playing a significant role in troop dynamics. 6. Black and white ruffed lemurs. Known for their striking black and white fur and vocalizations, these lemurs are frugivorous, feeding mostly on fruits. They live in social groups and are known for their loud, raucous calls. 7. Red ruffed lemurs. these vibrant colored lemurs have dense, rust-colored fur and are primarily frugivorous. They are known for their playful behavior and are often seen grooming each other within social groups. Each species of lemur has its own unique traits, behaviors, and adaptations, contributing to the rich biodiversity of Madagascar. Studying these species helps scientists understand the intricate web of life within their ecosystems and aids in conservation efforts to protect these remarkable creatures. Lemur reproduction. Lemurs have varied reproductive behaviors. Some lemurs exhibit estrus cycles where females are only receptive to mating for a brief period. Others have longer gestation periods and give birth to relatively well-developed young. For instance, the ring-tailed lemurs typically give birth to one offspring, but twins are not uncommon. Habitat fragmentation. One of the major challenges facing lemurs is habitat fragmentation. Human activities like logging, agriculture, and infrastructure development have led to fragmented habitats, isolating lemur populations and increasing their vulnerability to threats like predation and reduced genetic diversity. Conservation genetics. Genetic studies play a crucial role in lemur conservation. Understanding the genetic diversity within and among lemur populations helps conservationists make informed decisions regarding breeding programs, habitat preservation, and mitigating the effects of inbreeding and genetic bottlenecks. Cultural practices. Lemurs hold significant cultural importance in Madagascar. In some regions, lemurs are revered and protected by cultural taboos called feti. These taboos restrict hunting or harming certain lemurs due to their perceived spiritual significance. Dental adaptations. Lemurs have unique dental structures and adaptations according to their diets. Some species have specialized teeth for processing tough leaves, while others have sharp incisors adapted for feeding on insects or hard fruits. Behavioral studies. Ongoing research into lemur behavior reveals intricate social dynamics, communication methods, and problem-solving abilities. Observations in the wild and in captivity continue to provide insights into their intelligence and adaptability. Lemurs' diverse behaviors, adaptations, and their ecological roles contribute to their significance not only in scientific research but also in conservation efforts aimed at preserving Madagascar's extraordinary biodiversity. Lemur vocalizations. Lemurs communicate through a wide array of vocalizations. Each species has its unique calls for different purposes such as alarm, mating, territorial defense, and maintaining social bonds. Studying these vocalizations aids in understanding their social structures and behaviors. Lemur ecology and niche specialization. Lemurs occupy various niches within Madagascar's diverse ecosystems. Some are specialized for canopy living, while others thrive in the understory or on the forest floor. Understanding their ecological roles helps in preserving these habitats and the species within them. Lemur conservation genetics. Genetic research in lemurs has contributed significantly to conservation efforts. Understanding the genetic diversity, population structures, and gene flow among different lemur species assists in formulating effective conservation strategies. Lemur cognitive abilities. Studies suggest lemurs possess cognitive abilities that rival some other primates. Observations of problem-solving skills, memory, and learning abilities provide insights into their intelligence and social complexity. Health and disease research. Like other wildlife, lemurs face health challenges. Studying their susceptibility to diseases, developing healthcare strategies, and monitoring their health in the wild and captivity are critical for their conservation. Tourism and education. Responsible ecotourism centered around lemurs contributes to both conservation and public awareness. It provides funding for conservation efforts and educates visitors about the importance of preserving lemur habitats and biodiversity. These aspects encompass the intricate details and ongoing research areas concerning lemurs. They represent not only scientific intrigue but also the urgency of conservation and understanding the complexities of these unique primates in their native environments.